Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video. My name is Yasir Shafiq.
My name is Hakan Özer.
Okay, we are back with another video with a very big project. Fancy, luxury and very fine buildings. Yeah?
Yeah.
So today Mr. Hakan and me also together we will explain you about this project. How big is this? What kind of facilities you can have in this area? And what is the prices? Everything. So let's start tour.
Let's start tour. Today we are in Kocaeli at Akpınar region and I would like to introduce one of the biggest and most luxury construction project for you today. As a location, we are just 10 minutes far away from city center of Kocaeli, Izmit, just 10 minutes. And name of the project is Star Hill Izmit. You are gonna understand why the name of the project is Star Hill.
Because you can touch the stars when you're living in this apartment. So let's explore.
Let me summarize my plan for you today. I'm gonna introduce the basic information near the model. Then we are gonna fly, Bismillah today. Then we are gonna have a look at a sample property together, Brother Yasir.
I'm excited.
What we have as a general specification for this project, we have 23,000 square meters project area. On this 23,000 square meters project area, there are 8 blocks and 362 luxury property, luxury flats and 11 luxury detached style villas. And range of the flats are starting from the 75 square meters up to 200 square meters, and variation of the flats starting from the 1+1 up to 5 rooms plus 1 living room. And also, as I mentioned before, we have 11 detached luxury villas. There are 2 type villas are available on the project. One of them is containing 4 rooms plus 1 living room and 4 bathrooms, which is containing 200 square meters gross area inside it. The other bigger size villa is triplex design, which is containing 5 rooms, 1 living room, 5 bathrooms and 300 square meters gross area.
Like when you are living in this kind of apartment, on the back side you have a big view and in the front side you also have a big view. And seaside, the amazing part.
And I've been this project before. Front side of the project is looking for the Marmara Sea. Back side is looking for the Green Valley. This is the Green Valley section.
Yes.
We have 9 floors in each building. And I want to show the social facilities section still under construction. This handover time of this project is 2021 of June. At the end of this June, life is starting in this beautiful project. 2021, this year.
This year?
Yeah, end of the June, life is starting in this beautiful project. This is the entrance of the compound, rent-to-clock security is available. This is the bakery section, and also inside the compound there is a market is available, car wash service is available. There are 2 kind of swimming pools are available, indoor and outdoor. Yes, and all these sections, these green areas, and also under the blocks, separated for the social facility section.
Like fitness clubs.
Yes, sauna, Turkish bathroom, cinema room, music room, party room, meeting rooms are available.
Crazy.
Actually, this is such a huge 5-star luxury hotel concept. Brother, we are near the sample property.
Yes.
I'm planning to show 2 properties. One of them is the between the flats. This one is the 5 rooms plus 1 room. This is the biggest one. And then we are gonna have a look to definitely 100% finished 3 rooms plus 1 room. I want to show the view. Why I choose these properties, and all of them has the scenery. Because the subscribers are asking about me also 5 rooms plus 1 room. So let's start the tour.
Yeah, I am close more. Let's
go. We have rather 200 square meters. 200 square meters gross area inside this property.
This is living room?
This is living room section.
How big and how,
yes.
Look, how high is this? How high is this, how big is this, and the best thing is the view.
Yeah, look at that beautiful Marmara Sea view. It's panoramic and amazing.
It's amazing, incredible.
This city is located over here,
Okay.
actually over here. And look at that panoramic Marmara Sea view. I want to make a little bit zoom.
Okay. In this view, you can see everything, the city, the hills, Kartape. This is the best view.
Yeah, and especially night and daytime,
Night view
especially night view is
It's
amazing.
amazing. And in this area, in this project, you will find everything. You don't have to go to city. You will find, you can find fitness center, you can find markets. Everything is inside this project.
Even the masjid, not I don't use the statement of even. Also, there is masjid
Masjid.
is available
And
inside the project.
In Turkey, the mosques are always beautiful. I love them.
Alhamdulillah. And when we look at the lighting system, there are classical and LED lighting systems are available. You can put the AC in each unit,
It's very important.
And when we look at the kitchen, again, all the materials I can say that easily, first quality,
Yeah, and everything is installed. Stove. They will give
stove top, oven,
free
the dishwasher.
and exhaust. Where is the exhaust?
They hide the exhaust, brother. This
Why?
is the exhaust because it is modern, up-to-date design.
Yeah. So your kitchen has hidden places.
Yeah, we have 5 rooms plus 1 living room and 3 bathrooms inside it, and all the properties has the smart house system. They are gonna put the smart house tablet over
We will
here.
show them in the prepared house.
Yes. This is the room for kids. Also, it is attached by the balcony.
And double action windows.
Yes, double action. Oops.
Be careful.
And look at that amazing
Wow.
scenery. It's amazing.
Yeah.
And
Let me go. The balcony is also very big. Right?
yeah, and
Scenery.
scenery is
Look
amazing.
Yeah, on this, look. On this side, guys, left side you have a big sea. On the right side you have mountains. Just look at the mountains. It's so natural and calm view.
Yeah,
Relaxing view.
definitely, brother, definitely.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go to see the outer. Yep.
Yeah.
Here is the storage area. Storage area. This is, and this is one
Unfortunately,
master room.
Yeah, we don't have light right now, but everything is good.
Alhamdulillah. This is the master room. There are 2 master rooms are available. Also, this is attached with that balcony, and it is looking for the beautiful sea view.
Yeah, so the small room and the big room has common balcony.
Yes.
Okay.
And I want to show the bathroom section of the balcony. This is the bathroom section.
Wow. They are really using good material.
Definitely.
Let's go.
And I want to show the other rooms.
Another.
Here is the common bathroom. This is the common WC.
Okay, there are 2 bathrooms and 1 WC.
No, there are bathrooms inside the master.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
There are 3 bathrooms are available. 2 of them is master bathroom.
Yeah.
1 of them is common.
Yeah, so there is no problem about bathroom.
Yeah. And also look, open it. It's really nice too.
Wow.
This is the
Washing machine. You can.
washing
install.
machine place, and also you can put the dryer machine on it,
Yeah.
so that
How
it is
nice
hidden
it?
like that.
Yeah. Hidden and it looks nice.
Definitely. And here is the one more room for kids, and it's looking for the
Hillside.
hillside.
Cool.
And
Let's move on.
there is another room.
Yeah, same room. These 2 rooms are really nice.
Definitely. And this is the other master room.
Another bathroom.
Yes, this is another bathroom. This is the bathroom for this master room.
Wow, this house is
Wallpapers.
yeah. Really good. Okay, now we will go to
Now Let's see the sample property again. 3 rooms plus 1 living room,
With all the furniture.
yes.
Yes.
So let's have a look.
Okay, let's have a look. So guys, let us introduce you one ready house with all the furniture.
Yes.
Really good.
And also, brother Yasir, each block contains 2 lifts inside it. These are the elevator sections.
Yes. One lift, second lift.
Yes.
Big area.
Definitely. This property has 3 rooms plus 1 living room, which is containing 160 square meters gross area inside it. So, as a sample for the 3 rooms plus 1 living room, let's have a look. This is the smart house system.
Yeah. Hoş geldiniz.
Hoş bulduk efendim. When we enter the brother inside the property directly, nice and spacious ambience is welcoming us. Am I right?
Of course, it's amazing. If you have a house like this, automatically your mood becomes better.
Yeah. Look, there is one common WC.
But
is
first,
available.
I think let's show them the best thing.
Okay,
The
living room section.
Wow.
It is looking so cool and artistic.
And if someone want to buy all the house with this kind of furniture, they can buy. There's an option. For example, I want this house with all this furniture.
Brother, furniture companies
Uh-huh.
are providing that services.
Yeah. For example, some people they love this kind of concept.
Yeah.
And so guys, you can also buy this furniture. If
Definitely,
you want.
definitely.
Because
definitely.
this is high class furniture.
Yes.
Yeah. With good, the concept is really nice. Look, every place. The details, small details are perfect. Takes my heart. Okay.
Okay. Look, this is the brand of the furniture. This is free advertisement.
Okay, let's go to the kitchen.
Okay, let's see the kitchen section. Wow.
Yeah, wow. Double door.
Double
fridge.
door
They have a
refrigerator.
lot of space.
Yes.
Oven. Sink.
Yeah, countertop is amazing.
Stove. Oh, this is nice stove.
And heating system of the property is working central heating system with natural gas.
Natural gas.
With natural gas, and again.
We have a nice view with
Let's open.
with big balcony.
These are also villas, and
Yeah, under construction.
even we are on first floor. Look at that view.
Wow. Yeah, and I want to say this again, guys. This whole project will be ready until June.
Yes.
So the life will start. Yeah.
Yes.
Show them this table. The furniture is so good. I love it.
Yeah.
Okay.
So let's discover the other sections of the property.
Yeah.
And there is one common bathroom, and look, what is it? What is inside it?
You have a tub? Come on, this
Jacuzzi.
jacuzzi. Yeah.
There is a jacuzzi is available.
Yeah, and this is they are using the wallpaper, high quality.
High
wallpaper.
quality. Yes.
Yeah. If you touch this, it's really good.
This is the nice and
This is not LED, like you cannot touch.
this is LED, I think, but I don't know how it's working. Maybe
Yeah.
something like that. I don't know.
Okay, we are not so advanced, so let's go.
And
Really big place.
yes,
for your
for shower, yeah. And let's see this master room. This is the master room
Wow.
and bathroom of the master room.
The best thing, look at this, guys. It's so antique and classical.
Yeah.
Really. I love this kind of concept. In the Hollywood movies, I am watching this kind of furniture. Believe me, I don't know if you guys believe me, but really
Yeah.
amazing.
And
Can I just try to imagine this is my house? Wow.
inshallah,
One day I will have a house like this.
inshallah, brother, inshallah. This is
Wow.
the shower cabinet.
No, it's not normal. It's crazy. It's amazing. A kid's room?
Yes.
Yes.
And it's looking for the
Green part, the hill area.
yeah.
Yes, of course. They have given you an idea which kind of furniture you can put in the room. So this is exactly, you can follow them.
Yes.
For
Is
the-
there another room for kids?
Wow, amazing.
It's nice.
Everything is so nice.
So these are the interior situation of the properties. I hope you enjoy.
Yeah, maybe we can talk something. Is it?
Yeah, open. I think there is dressing cabinet.
Yeah, but we don't know how
Where
to
is
open
the-
this. the holding part.
Yeah, I think they didn't put yet.
Yeah, it's not ready yet, but
Yeah.
I love it. I love this house. I really hope guys you like this video. Please don't forget to hit like, and if you have any questions you can ask Mr. Hakan.
That's my pleasure to get the answer
Yes.
for our clients or subscribers.
Yeah, always leave your feedback in the comments. And guys, Mr. Hakan also have his YouTube channel. The video link is in the description. You can go
OZR projects.
OZR projects. The YouTube link is in the description. You can go check out. I hope to see you again, guys, with another nice project. Thank you very much for watching. Shore out. The foreigners who are can they buy an
Yes.
apartment on installments?
Yes, and title deed will be direct to their name. There is no
Wow.
differences between Turkish people and foreigners. They have right to buy to their property direct on their name. And one of the most important thing about this project, brother,
Yeah.
concept. Concept is definitely such a 5-star hotel concept
Yeah.
because inside this project there is residential services are available. What does it mean? What does it mean? For instance, there is a bakery inside the project.
project,
Yeah,
yeah.
it's open till midnight. And for instance, your car is dirty.
Yeah.
You don't want to go anywhere.
Or you are lazy?
You're lazy, yes. And you can call staff inside the and they can
Bring
there is a car wash service is also
Yeah.
available. So
Yeah, I was going to mention this thing. The design and the concept is really good. They have everything here actually.